All right, there she is. My old 1980 Chevy Kodiak. Otherwise I call him a topkick, but there she is. She's been sitting here for a little while, so we'll try and get her started. Want to put in a little fuel additive in the, or diesel additive in the fuel filter here, so hopefully she'll fire up quick. Let's see if that works. Let's give her a run. It's pretty cold, windows are frosted up, so let's get on in this old girl. See what she'll do. Come on, baby. Oh, there it is. My word. It fired right up. You can hear that old cat 3208 kicking in there. Let's see. Oh, yeah. It's a cat motor. The old 3208. As you can tell, big old smoke cloud. The first start up, but it'll clear up. There it is. I'll tell you what, this is the fastest starting diesel engine I've ever had. I mean, I've even got a new 6.7 Cummins, and this thing fires up. Not even fully crank over, and it fires right up. Should have been sitting here for a couple of months. Yeah, a little smoky, but you know. I would say it would get rid of the mosquitoes, but it's winter time, so there's none of those around. We'll pop the hood on this old girl and walk through the mist. There it is.